Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you are a homeowner here in Canada, make sure you do one thing for sure, otherwise there could be some dangerous results. Like after you have a snowfall, I mean a day or later, when the temperature goes above zero, snow melts. That's natural. But there's one thing you need to understand, like you see these water exteriors, like the water exit that's coming from your roof. Here I have, and also I have here. Okay, now it's going to, so make sure you do one thing, like wherever it falls, you see there's a lot of snow formation. This is called black ice. Okay, so make sure you salt these areas, because if somebody is walking like this, or if let's say somebody who uses your backyard, like your tenants or whoever walks in, it's gonna be a very dangerous situation if they step on it. Okay, make sure you do salting around this area. You see this is a thin layer of ice. It's, I'll not say snow, it's ice, and it's very dangerous and slippery. If somebody steps on it, it's like very easy for them to fall and injure themselves. If you live in Canada, make sure to all the water exits you do salting. Okay, I'm gonna do salt here so that this place becomes safer. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel.